when I was 5 years old, 5, my parents already took me to the Yiddish theater, the Yiddish theater, because they wanted to go. They couldn't, there was no such thing as having a babysitter or anything. They couldn't afford that. But I don't know who took care of my brothers, but I guess maybe they did, I don't know. But they took me to the theater, and I was 5 years old. And I could tell you, if you want to know some of the actors, Maurice Schwartz, I saw him in many plays. And one of them I remember, the Zibner Gehangener, the 7 who hung. That was Maurice Schwartz. I saw Molly Pecan, Jenny Goldstein, Arden Lebedoff, Menashe Skolnick, Bess, and Boris Tomaszewski. All those, they took me all the time. And of course, since I understood Yiddish, I listened. Even those plays were quite mature for a little one like me. When I'm talking about 5 years and up, I always went to those things. When we moved to Manhattan, there was a movie on Jennings Street and Southern Boulevard. It played the Yiddish films, and I saw all of them because I wouldn't miss them, and my parents went to them too.